Are you passionate about interior designing? Do you like to create compassionate homes and office spaces? Or do you like to build your career in interior field? Then you are here at the right place. This is Vikas Institute of Interior Designing. Since 2017, this place is excelling in contributing interior designers into the competitive interior industry. Whether you are 12th passed or a postgraduate or a civil engineer, we assure you can kickstart your interior dreams and bring it into reality from here. This institute has well-supporting counseling team who can guide you from your course enrollment to job placement, headed by Bhagyama. Here we have founder, a great forward-thinker, enthusiast, VASU.S, a civil engineer and IIMB alumni, having a vast 30 plus years of industry experience in construction and interior industry. He is a great mentor who is available to guide aspirants to achieve successful career in interior industry. Here is the well-equipped laboratory. Here is the place where your creativity is transformed and gets ready to be showcased to the clients. All the interior software from AutoCAD to Photoshop are taught and practiced here. This is the place where you start your classes with Shruti ma'am and team. A highly talented, experienced and a friendly faculty who hand-sold you from A to manual sketch to your portfolio. She is a BCom graduate, Master Diploma in Interior Design and is practicing in the industry since 15 plus years. All the faculties here are highly qualified and available at all the time. They teach you step by step from very basic to the professional level. Classroom teaching, on-field experience, thorough support, dedicated and inspiring atmosphere from the entire team here at Vikas Institute makes you a complete professional interior designer. Now let's hear from the students why Vikas Institute should be the choice.
On-site learning experience, visiting of sites, ongoing projects and completed projects with well-experienced faculties.
We provide weekend and weekdays batches and online and offline software classes.
Affordable fees with EMI options.
100% internship and guaranteed job placement.
It's a mixed crowd here. Students from all the sectors, whether may be 12th passed, civil engineers, architects, or any age group, who are willing to start a fresh start or a changeover in the career.
They have well-designed curriculum with necessary notes and books.
Individual attention, having limited students per batch.
They have very good supporting staff and inspiring atmosphere.
Come and visit us and avail all these facilities at Vikas Institute of Interior Designing, located in the heart of the city. Ask for a free demo class and experience the learning. If you are a thorough aspirant who is willing to be a professional interior designer, then this Vikas Institute is made for you.